Happy day, children. Uh, we are now going into the third part of simplification of arithmetic expressions. We were doing some sums on uh, simplifying nested arithmetic expressions. We have done some 4 sums in the previous video. Now in the next one, we are going to solve another more 4 simple nested arithmetic expressions. The first one is here. Okay, so how we are going to do it? We will do. See here in the first one, there is an outermost rectangular bracket, one precedence order. And then inside that there is this one parenthesis and this one, two parentheses inside this. So how we are going to do it? How we should do it? You know it. We will have to do the innermost precedence operators first. Parenthesis, whatever is inside the bracket. Innermost is these two, one this and another one. These two need to be done separately because they are inside the rectangular bracket. Okay, so when I put it in colors, see separated with all these. So in this one inside the bracket, inside one, this is also inside. We will have to do both of them. First we will do this one from left to right. So this we have taken to here. It's 2 minus 82 divided by 41. So these numbers are written as whole numbers. We'll have to write them as integers. This negative, it is not negative sign. It is minus operator minus, and this is operator division is there. So this number 82 is positive integer. So we have written them. 2 means positive 2 operator minus, and 82 means positive 82 number division operator. 41 means positive. So we'll have to do this. Now this expression is of the type of simple type 2 because it has a operator derived operator division. So first we will have to do the derived operator. These two to be done first. So we are carrying them over here separately. These two are positive integers, therefore you can treat them as whole numbers and find the answer. 82 divided by 41 is equal to 2. So this is replaced now, this positive 2 as it is, subtraction, operation subtraction, then this one simplified is this 2. Plus 2 minus 2, simply known it is 0. So now in this one, this 0 comes here. This one you have substituted here, 0 into. So 0, you need not substitute, do simplify this one because whatever be it is, 0, this next operator is multiplying. So 0 multiplied by anything is equal to 0. So you need not simplify this and write. You can simply save some time just by concluding like this. So be careful whenever some 0 comes and if there is an operation multiplication, then you can need not simplify the multiplier or multiplicand. Okay, so it is over now. We pass into the next one. So in this one, if you see, there is a outermost precedence operator rectangular bracket. Inside that there are two curly bracket precedence operators, curly bracket precedence operators, and inside this curly bracket there is one more parenthesis operator here. So we are kind of segregating it to show it like this. I am using some colorful means. Blue one outermost, inside the two green one curly brackets, inside this curly bracket are there is red parenthesis one. So first we will have to do the innermost one, which is this. So this we will have to do. So we are segregating it to here. I have not taken the parentheses, I have taken only the numbers here. So it is something like simple arithmetic type 2 because there is a division here. So first we will write them as integers. 100 means positive 100, 50 means positive 50. This 6 means this is operation minus 6, minus subtraction. Therefore this is minus of plus 6. That is what we have written here. Operation minus positive 6, positive 50 this is. So in this one first we will do the derived operator division. So positive 100 divided by positive 50 which is equal to 2. So this is replaced with 2 here. This as it is comes. So positive 2. In the next one, subtracting a positive subtracting positive 6 means adding opposite of positive 6. Opposite of positive 6 is negative 6. Therefore, adding negative 6. So, positive 2 added with negative 6. 6 red balls, 2 blue balls. Therefore, 4 red balls will remain here. So, therefore, this is minus 4. We have simplified this. That's now we will carry forward for this red one. We are carrying forward this one here. Okay. And now, if you see, this is one factor only. So now you will have to do this green one. So we will segregate it now. The next step, we are segregating it. It is minus 4 plus 7 is minus 28. Okay. And here the terms are coming as it is. Here I have written it like, within curly bracket it comes. 24 means positive 24. Operation plus minus 4 as it is. So this is already simplified. So this we will have to do here. 24 positive plus 4 negative means 4 red balls. You are combining them, 4 red balls and 24 blue balls. So 20 blue balls will be there, means 20 positive. So again now this is one expression here. In this one you will have two operators here, minus operator and one this is division operator. So this entire thing is a simple arithmetic expression type 2 because there is a division here. So first you will have to do this. This 80 means positive 80. This 20 positive 20 as it is written. So you will have to do that division part here. So I am taking these two here separately. Positive 80 divided by positive 20. You can treat them as whole numbers because both are positive. Therefore positive 80 divided by 20 is 4. So positive 4 comes here in place of this. The positive 4 has come here on doing this. This subtraction minus is as it is. Okay. Negative 28 minus positive 4. So this subtracting positive number, positive 4 means subtracting opposite of positive 4. Opposite of positive 4 is negative 4. Therefore, subtracting will become adding minus 4. So negative 28 added with negative 4 means 28 red balls, 4 red balls. Combined means 32 red balls, means minus 32. So the entire thing is solved now as minus 32. Go to the next question. Next one is this. If you see this, the outermost curly bracket precedence order is operator is there, and inside that there is this one is one curly bracket, one precedence operator, another one. So two curly brackets precedence orders are there, and they are operated with multiplication. So I am colorfully writing them. This one with yellow, this one. But inside this curly bracket, there is one more parenthesis precedence operator here. So that is distinguished with a green background. Okay. So we will do the innermost one first. So we will have to do this one first. So we are taking it over here and doing it. 75 divided by 5 plus 25 minus of minus 5. So we will write them as integers. Means 75 means positive 75 divided by operator. 5 means positive 5. This plus operator. 25 means positive 25 minus operator negative 5 as it is. So we have written it as integer. Now these operators are division, addition and subtraction. Others are signs. So now we will do the division first because derived operator, it is a simple type 2 expression. So we will do the derived operator first, which is two whole numbers divided because both are positive. So it is 5, 15 is 75, therefore this is 15. So this one is replaced with 15. The rest of the two terms are as it is carried forward. The next one, if you see, there is a operations subtraction. This is operator. So the simple type 1 expression is there. This operator subtraction needs to be done. This is subtracting negative 5. So it will be converted as adding opposite of minus 5, negative 5. Opposite of negative 5 is positive 5. So positive 5 will come. This subtraction will become addition. So that is what done here in the next step. Adding positive 5. So now all are integers. with positive signs. Therefore, you can treat them as whole numbers and you are combining them plus plus. So 15 plus 25, 40 plus 5, 45. So this comes out to be 45. So in the next step, all the other things are carried forward as it is, and this one simplified positive 45 comes down here like this. So 45 minus plus 45. So it is simply, you will have to do this one simply. You need not go for this. You simplify this, it becomes 0. So you see here there are two factors. One is 0 and the other one is 0 multiplied by you. So you have to simplify this. You need not simplify this because 0 multiplied with anything is 0. So you simply write it anything multiplied by 0, which is going to be 0. So this sum has become, you have to simplify this one only. So you have got the answer simply here. Going to the next sum. That's all. Thank you.